of pain. Live to thy God, to order and provide in every change. The faithful will remain. Be still, my soul, thy best, thy heavenly friend, through thorny ways leads to a joyful end. Be still, my soul, thy God doth undertake to guide the future as he has the past. Thy hope, thy confidence, let nothing shake. Ornament still, real shall be bright at last. Be still, my soul, the waves and winds still know his voice who rolled them while he dwelt below. Be still, my soul, the hour is hastening on, when we shall be forever with the Lord. When disappointment, grief, and fear are gone, sorrow forgot, love's purest joy restored. Be still, my soul, when change and tears are past. All safe and blessed, we shall meet at last.
You're doing wrong the last word.
Be still, my soul.
The first time I heard that,